Third and long is often the end of the drive for most football teams, especially if you're playing against one of the top defenses in the NFL. But as we've seen time and time again, third and long is simply another opportunity for some Mahomes magic.
I'm Matt McMullen, and this is the Inside Scoop presented by Tostitos.
It was 3rd and 8 in their own territory as the Chiefs looked to build on their early lead. Mahomes dropped back and pumped before scrambling to his right. That's David Onyemata in pursuit. He has 6 sacks this season, and there's Cameron Jordan. He has the 10th most pressures in the NFL this year. This is a sack for any other player in the league, but that's why we call it Mahomes magic. The reigning Super Bowl MVP stops in his tracks, forcing Jordan to over-pursue. He then moves upfield and fires it sidearm right into the arms of Sammy Watkins to move the chains. It kept the drive alive, which eventually ended with a touchdown. Check out what Watkins does here. His original route takes him the clear other direction, but he sees Mahomes is in trouble, turns around, and comes open as he sprints back across the field. It was yet another example of how the play is never dead with this team, and while Mahomes gets the credit here, he recognized the offensive line and Watkins for continuing to work throughout the play.
That one definitely. Sammy was kind of my last read, and I got flushed out. I was running out to the right, thought I could get the edge, realized I wasn't going to be able to get there, and then I stopped and stepped up, and Sammy kept working. I was able to get him the ball. I mean, that's another play. I mean, you see those offensive linemen. I mean, they continue to work when I'm scrambling, doing all my different stuff out there, and you got to have guys that are going to continue to battle the entire game. And so it was a great job of them, and a great job of the receivers, and Sammy getting open.
The Chiefs are converting 3rd and 5 or longer at the highest rate in the NFL, 44.2%, and it's easy to see why. You have to throw out conventional football wisdom with this team. 3rd and long often means a punt is upcoming for just about every team in the NFL, but in Kansas City, it's a highlight waiting to happen.
Be the MVP of your tailgate with Tostitos.